If you are searching for an adults-only paradise in Cancun that combines modern luxury with all-inclusive convenience, the Reef Playas de Cancun might just be the destination you have been dreaming about. This property sits right in the heart of the hotel zone on Boulevard Cucucan, making it one of the most accessible yet exclusive retreats for travelers who want to escape the everyday grind without sacrificing proximity to the action. Opened in 2018 as part of the Reef Resorts family, this hotel has quickly carved out a reputation for being a sleek, contemporary haven where relaxation meets sophistication. With a 4.5-star rating and consistently high scores across major booking platforms, it is clear that guests are leaving impressed. The entire concept here revolves around creating a space where adults can unwind without the hustle of family-friendly chaos, and that focus is evident in every detail from the design to the amenities. Recent renovations in 2024 refreshed the lobby and pool deck, and early 2025 saw the addition of new swim-up bars and private cabanas, which have been praised in recent reviews. The property blends minimalist Mexican design with tropical accents, featuring clean white linens, warm wood tones, and expansive ocean views that make you feel like you are living in a postcard. Whether you are a couple looking for a romantic getaway, a solo traveler seeking some peace, or a group of friends ready to enjoy Cancun nightlife, this hotel offers a balanced experience that caters to a variety of adult travelers. When it comes to accommodations, the Reef Playas de Cancun does not hold back on delivering comfort and style. The hotel offers 3 main room categories, each designed with modern travelers in mind and packed with thoughtful amenities that elevate your stay. Starting with the junior suite, you get around 45 square meters of space, which translates to about 484 square feet. This room type features a king bed, a cozy living area, and a private balcony where you can sip your morning coffee while gazing at the turquoise waters or lush garden views. Inside, you will find a minibar that gets restocked daily, a 55-inch smart television for your streaming needs, an espresso machine for coffee lovers, a safe for valuables, plush bathrobes, and a rain shower that makes every wash feel like a spa experience. One of the standout features is the Hydromassage tub, perfect for unwinding after a long day exploring Cancun. The room also has motion sensor lighting, which adds a touch of modern convenience. The junior suite can accommodate up to 3 guests if you add a rollaway bed, making it versatile for small groups or couples who want extra space. Moving up to the ocean suite, you get even more room to spread out with 55 square meters or 592 square feet. This suite includes a king bed plus a sofa bed, a separate living room, and all the amenities of the junior suite with some upgrades like a pillow menu so you can customize your sleep experience, an iPod dock for music lovers, and twice daily housekeeping service to keep everything pristine. The views here are partial or full ocean, and select units even offer direct access to the pool, which is a game changer if you love the idea of stepping straight from your room into the water. The terrace in these suites is spacious and often features modern blue accents that complement the ocean scenery beautifully. For those who want the absolute best, the Penthouse suite is where luxury reaches its peak. At 75 square meters or 807 square feet, this suite is massive and includes 2 king beds, a rooftop terrace with a private jacuzzi, and an outdoor shower that lets you rinse off under the stars. Butler service is included so you can have someone cater to your every need, whether that is arranging excursions, serving drinks, or making dinner reservations. The rooftop sundeck is exclusive to Penthouse guests and offers panoramic ocean views that are simply breathtaking, especially at dusk when the sky turns shades of pink and orange. This suite can accommodate up to 4 guests, making it ideal for 2 couples traveling together or a family of adults. All rooms come with complimentary Wi-Fi, which has been significantly improved after the 2024 renovations, and the air conditioning is reliable and quiet. Guest photos on booking sites show that the rooms are not just pretty in professional shots but also deliver in real life with plush bedding, well-stocked minibars, and spotless marble bathrooms. The overall vibe is modern yet warm, with just enough tropical flair to remind you that you are in paradise. Dining at the Reef Playas de Cancun is an experience in itself, with 7 different venues offering everything from casual buffet spreads to upscale fusion cuisine. The all-inclusive package covers premium liquor, so you can sip top-shelf cocktails without worrying about the bill, and no reservations are needed for most restaurants, which makes dining flexible and stress-free. El Mero is the main buffet restaurant, and it is where you will likely start your mornings and end your evenings. This spot serves international cuisine with a strong focus on fresh ingredients and variety. Breakfast features everything from made-to-order omelets to fresh tropical fruits, while lunch and dinner bring out ceviche stations, grilled meats, seafood tacos, and a solid selection of vegan options. The buffet is open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, and it can seat up to 400 guests, so even during peak times you will find space. The ocean view setting is vibrant and colorful, with fruit displays that look almost too good to eat. On Wednesdays, they host a Mexican-themed night that guests rave about, complete with mariachi music and traditional dishes. If you are in the mood for something more refined, Himitsu is the Asian fusion restaurant that consistently gets top marks in reviews. Open for dinner from 6 to 11, this intimate venue seats about 80 people and specializes in sushi, teppanyaki, and ramen. The black cod miso is a standout dish, and the signature dragon roll is as beautiful as it is delicious. The ambience here is dimly lit with hanging lanterns, creating a romantic and sophisticated vibe. They also offer sushi making classes, which is a fun way to spend an afternoon if you want to learn a new skill. Vita is the Mediterranean restaurant, focusing on healthy Italian-inspired dishes like octopus carpaccio, burrata pizza, and perfectly grilled fish. Open from noon to 10, this spot has a sunny terrace and even features an herb garden where they source some of their ingredients. It is perfect for a lighter lunch or a relaxed dinner. Down by the beach, you will find the Beach Hut, a casual grill serving Mexican and seafood favorites like lobster tacos and a build-your-own guacamole bar. Open from 11 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon, this is the ideal spot for a midday snack or a lazy lunch with your toes in the sand. The setup is laid back with palm umbrellas and fresh ceviche bowls that taste even better with the ocean breeze. Finally, the Sky Lounge Bar is where the party happens. Located by the infinity pool, this bar serves craft cocktails and mezcal flights from 11 in the morning until 1 in the morning. The rooftop parties on Fridays and Saturdays are legendary, with live DJs and stunning sunset views that make for unforgettable nights. The glowing blue Infinity Edge drinks are as Instagram-worthy as they are tasty. Across all dining venues, the service is attentive, and the quality of food is consistently praised in reviews, though some long-term guests note that the buffet can feel repetitive after a week. Still, with 7 options to choose from, there is enough variety to keep most people happy. The pool and beach facilities at the Reef Playas de Cancun are among the best features of the property and a major reason why guests give such high ratings. There are 3 pools on-site, each designed with a different vibe in mind. The main infinity pool is the crown jewel, spanning 1,200 square meters and ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and the Infinity Edge creates a stunning visual effect where the pool seems to blend seamlessly into the ocean beyond. Loungers and cabanas are plentiful, and waiter service means you can order food and drinks poolside without lifting a finger. The second pool is an adults-only rooftop infinity pool that is smaller at 400 square meters but offers a more intimate and quiet experience. At 1.4 meters deep, it is perfect for floating and relaxing while taking in panoramic views of the Caribbean. The third pool is a quiet relaxation pool of 300 square meters, designed for guests who want to escape the livelier scenes at the main pool. All pools are open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, and towels are provided free of charge. The pool deck was recently upgraded in 2024, and the new cabanas added in 2025 have been a hit with guests who want a bit more privacy. The beach is equally impressive, with 250 meters of pristine white sand and calm, crystal-clear Caribbean waters. The beach is well maintained, and beach butlers are on hand to serve drinks and food, so you never have to leave your lounger if you do not want to. Free activities include kayaking and paddleboarding, which are great ways to explore the coastline, while paid options like snorkeling and catamaran trips offer more adventurous experiences. The beach is one of the top-mentioned amenities in reviews, with guests praising its cleanliness and the attentive service from staff. Whether you prefer lounging by the pool with a cocktail or soaking up the sun on the sand, the facilities here are designed to make your vacation as effortless and enjoyable as possible. Beyond the pools and beach, the Reef Playas de Cancun offers a wide range of activities to keep guests entertained throughout their stay. The fitness center is well equipped with treadmills, free weights, yoga mats, Peloton bikes, and a functional training area, making it easy to maintain your workout routine even on vacation. The gym is open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, and classes like yoga and pilates are offered daily at 7 in the morning and 6 in the evening. Personal training sessions are available for an additional fee if you want more personalized guidance. For those looking to unwind, the Zen Spa is a sanctuary of relaxation. The spa offers a variety of treatments including hot stone massages, facials, couples rituals, and traditional temazcal ceremonies that provide a unique cultural experience. Facilities include a sauna, steam room, hydrotherapy circuit, 5 treatment rooms, and a tranquil relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after your treatment. The spa is open from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, and booking can be done through the hotel app or official website. It is recommended to book at least 24 hours in advance, especially during peak season. Nightly entertainment is another highlight, with live music and DJ performances starting at 8 in the evening. Thursdays feature foam parties that are always a hit, while Fridays bring fire shows that add a dramatic flair to the evening. The hotel also hosts seasonal events like a massive New Year's beach party and Day of the Dead-themed celebrations in October. The Rooftop DJ series launched in 2025 has quickly become a favorite among guests who enjoy dancing under the stars. For those who prefer a quieter evening, there are plenty of spots to relax with a cocktail and enjoy the ocean breeze. The balance between lively entertainment and peaceful relaxation is one of the things that sets this hotel apart, allowing guests to choose their own adventure each day. The Zen Spa at the Reef Playas de Cancun deserves special attention because it truly elevates the wellness experience. Spanning multiple treatment rooms and featuring a full hydrotherapy circuit, the spa is designed to help guests disconnect from stress and reconnect with their bodies. The signature hot stone massage is a must-try, using heated volcanic stones to release tension and promote deep relaxation. Facials use high-quality products tailored to your skin type, and the couple's rituals are perfect for romantic getaways, offering side-by-side treatments in a private suite. One of the most unique offerings is the temazcal ceremony, a traditional Mayan steam bath that combines heat, herbs, and guided meditation for a profoundly spiritual and physical cleansing experience. The hydrotherapy circuit includes contrast pools, saunas, and steam rooms, allowing you to move through different temperatures to stimulate circulation and detoxify. The relaxation lounge is stocked with herbal teas and fresh fruit, and the soft music and dim lighting create an atmosphere of pure tranquility. Staff are highly trained and attentive, ensuring that every treatment is customized to your needs. Prices for treatments are reasonable compared to other high-end spas in Cancun, with most massages coming in under $150. The spa is open from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, giving you plenty of flexibility to fit a treatment into your schedule. Many guests mention the spa as a highlight of their stay, noting that the quality of service rivals dedicated wellness resorts. Whether you are looking to recover from a long day of activities or simply want to indulge in some self-care, the Zen Spa provides a serene escape within the resort. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.